Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add an overlay in CapCut. Quick one guys, go ahead and open up your CapCut. Now for this case, you can choose a project that you've been working on your CapCut. Quickly, I'll just come and click on this project. Now as you choose a project, obviously the items in that project will be the main items. What I mean guys is that the project you have chosen, you can see this is a project and this is the picture in this project. Now, to add an overlay on this picture, as you can see, this picture is of a president of Uganda in the State House. Now, to add an overlay on this picture, quickly just come over here and then you can either have two options. You can come and click on these more options over here, or you can click on this import button, this one over here. Now click on that import button. Now come to your, either you can choose downloads depending on where your object that you want to add in as the overlay is located. Now for my case, I have picked the downloads. Now I'm going to be adding the same object or the same image as the overlay. Okay. Now quickly just come over here. Then I'll locate the image I want, open it. Once I open it, again, the image will be loaded there. Now here, I'll just come over here and put it. Actually, just have to drag and drop like that. Okay. After that, click in this item that you've dragged and drop. Now quickly, you can make an adjustment like this. You can see. Now, once I make an adjustment, this one will be an overlay because it's on top of this first one over here. Okay. So basically, that's how to add an overlay in CapCut. Subscribe, guys.